I like to put stuff online.
Well, let's just look at this new news by our favorite stock that likes to just tear on our heartstrings. So SBET just announced that it is increasing its at the market sales agreement by 5 billion, bringing the total amount of common stock that may be sold to 6 billion, which would be a substantial much more increase of the float that it currently is right now. That's why you've seen a fat dump on this stock on Friday, $7 to $8. But what does it plan to do with that? So think about this if you're a company owner. You are now going to try to make as much money as you can. You have shareholders. You know it's hot. You know that the market is going to be keep booming because they just passed the Genius Act. So you're sitting there as the owner and saying to yourself, well, if I did an offering right now, a public one, and had more shares out there, then when people buy it up at this certain price, now that I can, with all that money, I can use the money to invest into other things that I know that are going to be a sure bet. And that's what they're doing right now. It's a bad move by the company, to be honest. I know no one likes offerings. It's a huge offering. It really is. But at the same time, the way I look at it is it's still going to make this money. It's the market cap on this stock is going to be at, see on here it's 2.9 billion. It could go up to 6 or 7 billion within the next 3 or 4 years. And if you look at other $6 or $7 billion companies, that's going to be, we're talking, you know, 80, 10, 120 a share stock. So yeah, don't lose yet. We're still not looking too bad here. I know the news kind of made it a little sour, but I would wait for it to consolidate. We're looking at the 30-minute here, but let's check the daily out and see what that bad boy has to say. Same deal. It has a doji here. We're getting ready to that golden cross. This stock, even the fib right now, the Fibonacci is saying that we can definitely hit to 120 per share. It's not out of the realm of possibility, but I'm not going to be holding that long. I on 80 for SBET. I think the revenues, as soon as their revenues come out after they're initiating all their new investments and they're making the revenue from it, it's going to be nuts. It's going to be crazy. But this is the new news on SBET. Hope you guys liked it. I love you guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube. It helps a lot. We try to bring you the information relatively quick to you guys, so just show some love, and I will keep on trying my best to keep doing this very, very consistently. You guys can be up to date on other stocks, make some money on other plays. If you look at my other plays that I posted on, profitable, highly. I even showed you how to scalp them too on those ones, and they just nailed. But come over to the Discord. It's $10.99 a month, and we're just hitting a lot of plays. I'm a professional at this, and so yeah, it's very well. I trade for a living, and you know, I have to disclaimer out that this is not financial advice, obviously, because I'm not like a professional on Wall Street, but we do very well. I shoot you straight. I have no reason to lie. I'm a Christian, so I just try to go at my own pace and, you know, say what's on my mind. And I'm not one of those influencers out there that's going to be like, oh, I'm going to make you $1 trillion. No, we're going to make you steady income every year, every month, and we've been doing it consistently. But anyways, this is the SBE2 news. You guys have a good one, and don't beat yourself up about it. I know you guys are holding and we're waiting for the next pop because of this Genius Act, and they knew that you were waiting for that. They're not stupid. They knew you're waiting for it, and they're holding a lot of bag holders right now. They know it. It's the market, but don't lose hope yet. Once we get that earnings that comes out and this other purchases of Ethereum, so on and so forth, we'll be right back in that range that we were just in and higher. All right, guys. See ya.